Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this is the reading for Aries for the month of August 2020 in their love matters. So this is for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and anyone who is drawn towards this reading. Cross watchers are also welcome, but remember, energy can be vice versa, so take whatever resonates and rest leave. So I have shuffled the cards and laid them out. So we can just start with your reading and we'll do the clarification side by side, okay? So let's start with your reading, Aries. So what I'm seeing here is that someone has come back into your life from the past. Whom you didn't pay quite good attention in the past, okay? So this person has come for reconciliation. They have again given you an offer which you might have rejected in the past, and they were still waiting on you, okay? So what I'm seeing here is that this time you are deciding to move with this person on a new journey, okay? And most of you may have already started with this person, okay, and some of you will move on a new journey with this person from your past, okay? And at present you are feeling like this person is so comfortable to be with, okay? So this person is a great friend and a good lover, and maybe you were looking for someone like this, okay? And you are regretting that why didn't you try with this person in the past itself, okay? So but this time you are not letting it go, and you are respecting this person's emotions and love for you, okay? And you want to give it back. What I'm seeing here is that in the near and immediate future you are feeling like this person is a real jackpot. You miss this person, but because this person never gave up on you, and because of the God's blessings and grace, you got this person back, and you are feeling really lucky to have him or her, and you're feeling like your efforts are being rewarded, okay? So let's move on to the person's reading. What I'm seeing here is that this person initially started with you on a casual basis. They just wanted to have a casual relationship, okay? Although they are very good at heart, King of Hearts energy, someone who can be trusted, someone who will never break your trust, okay? You can trust them with your words, with your feelings, with your everything, okay? And they will take care of it. So this person is really good at heart, but initially they started on a casual basis, maybe to protect their heart too, okay? So maybe they wanted to protect themselves and their emotions and their heart, because they were not aware that you could treat them so well, right? So initially they were not taking it seriously in order to protect their own feelings and emotions already, although they had love for you. But presently what I'm feeling here is that now this person is somewhat sure about your feelings too, and this person is really satisfied, happy and joyful with you, and really want to enjoy their life with you. So this person will now really show you how much they care and love for you in true sense, okay? What I see in the immediate and near future for this person is that this person, although is very good at heart, but maybe they are currently unemployed, or maybe they are not in so much of good position right now. Okay, so this is showing me that in near future they need to pay their more attention to their work, profession and business, whatever they are involved in, so that they can transform themselves into a king of clubs energy, which is someone who is really very productive. Okay, although he is the king of hearts, which is the full of love, care, tenderness, kindness, warmth towards others, but they also need to be this king of clubs, for which they need to work on themselves and on their work, because king of clubs energy is someone who is really productive, spiritual, creative and highly efficient, and they go for higher education, highly educated, intelligent, and they use their creativity to do something good for themselves and for the society, right? So I think that this person will would like to work on themselves after they get this surety of love from you, that you are really in love with them and really want to spend your life with them. This will give them more strength in order to improve themselves as a person, to become more productive for you, for themselves and for rest of all. Okay, so I think that your love acts as a catalyst here in order to improve their own selves. So I hope you enjoyed your reading. Let's move on to the message from universe and divine over this connection for Aries for the month of August 2020. Okay. So I'm seeing here this is the 5 of Spades, which is showing me the difficult opponent. Okay, so this person, you both are equal but maybe opposite. Okay, and you both can be together or win together if you realize it by themselves, by yourself, that you both are opposite, but you have immense strength when together. Okay, because you two, if you are against each other, then it is difficult to work on this relationship. So if you both have any differences, okay, towards each other, maybe you both are opposite in personality, or there are something or some issues which may not resonate with both of you. Okay, and that might be the issue for arguments and fights. So what I'm seeing here is that you have to, this is a power couple. Okay, you both are really strong individually, but how you resonate together is also important. So you are strong individually, both are difficult opponents to defeat, but if you both are together, then the strength is immense. So don't go against each other, just move together, right? The next card I have is the card of Joker, which is a very good card. This is the card of freedom, fearlessness, open-mindedness. So maybe this relationship works for you to become this. Okay, so you're becoming fearless, you're becoming more open-minded and more open to changes and positive changes. Okay, the next card I have is the Ace of Clubs, which is the you can yourself see, this is the card of power, this is the card of great luck. Okay, so I think for both of you this combination will work. If you are moving in the same direction, this will open many new channels for you mentally, physically, and will make you powerful. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this reading, Aries. So we will see in the next video in next month. Till then, take care. God bless you. Love you. Thanks for watching and support. Bye bye.